we have to solve this formula for beta. Beta is in the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Okay? In order to pull out anything from the fraction, we have to eliminate the fraction by multiplying both sides of the formula by the denominator, always by the denominator. Let me copy this formula one more time. So I have alpha equals beta over beta plus 1. Multiply both sides equation by the denominator, beta plus 1. Beta plus 1. Beta plus 1 and beta plus 1 will cancel out, and I have beta plus 1 times alpha is equal beta. Now I have beta on the left side of the equal sign and on the right side, but one of them is inside of the parentheses. In order to pull out beta from the parentheses, I have to distribute this alpha into the parentheses. Why? Because I want to eliminate the parentheses. Beta times alpha. Okay? Beta, alpha times beta is beta times alpha. That's the same thing. Alpha times 1 is just alpha equals beta. Now, I have beta on the left side and on the right side of my equal sign. I have to collect all betas to one side of the equation. That's why I'm going to move this beta to the left side, and this alpha I'm going to move to the right side. Okay, so what I'm going to have? I'm going to have beta times alpha minus beta is equal minus alpha. Now, I'm going to factorize beta, so I'm going to have beta, open parenthesis, alpha minus 1. Someone is going to ask me again why we have 1. Remember, anytime we have a variable and there is no visible integer to that variable, means there is always invisible 1. So when you are going to factorize that variable, automatically this invisible 1 becomes visible. It's equal negative alpha. Okay? I'm looking for beta. In order to find beta, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to beta. So if alpha minus 1. Alpha minus 1. Alpha minus 1 and alpha minus 1 will cancel out, and I'm going to have beta equals minus alpha over alpha minus 1. Okay? Now, I have negative divided by positive. Negative divided by positive is going to give me always negative. Okay? If I'm going to have, let's say, positive over here and a negative over here, I'm going to also have negative, because positive divided by negative is going to give me negative. That's why I'm going to rewrite this problem as alpha over negative alpha minus 1. Okay? Because this is the same thing. Positive divided by negative will give me negative, or negative divided by positive is going to give me negative. Now, in order to eliminate this negative, I'm going to multiply this negative by every single variable and number inside of the parentheses. So that's why I'm going to have beta equals alpha. Negative times positive is going to give me negative. Negative times negative is going to give me positive. So I'm going to have 1 minus alpha. Okay? So beta is equal alpha over 1 minus alpha. This is the solution to my problem.